Hi guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really well. As market is also, um, at the premium, like right now, market is just oscillating between highs and lows. And today, what a recovery Nifty did! What a beautiful recovery Nifty had, right? So before I go on to the market, I would like you all to join my website and watch my free videos, right? In case in future you want to learn about stock market, you want to learn about the accurate entry and exit in the stock market, you have to have watched these videos, right? So go to my website, make your login ID and just enroll yourself free and watch these videos. Okay, and this is my Telegram channel. Hope you are all present here. On my free channel only, we everything is live. You can scroll up this channel. My channel's name is StockPro Official, SEBI registered, right? And it's got about 46,000 members. And you can just scroll up and see what is the performance. You can see the live call and you can check on your platform what is happening to those calls, what time are they given, how they have initiated, whether they hit the stop loss or they moved in the upper direction, what is happening. You can all check everything you can check, right? So this is my platform, right? You can watch every single thing, right? And a lot of work I do for you people. Like in few minutes you will get the stocks for tomorrow. Like yesterday, if you notice, I had given the stock Tata Communication, right? I gave Tata Communication yesterday, and look at how beautifully it has moved today, right? It has really moved up nicely today. I gave buy Tata Communication above 469, and you want to see where Tata Communication headed up. Tata Communication has made a high of 505, right? Almost 41 points up. Look at the beautiful move the stock had. Beautiful movement in the upward direction, right? This is rock solid research. So all this you get a day in advance over here, right? This is everything for you guys a day in advance. Another few minutes you will get to the stocks for tomorrow. So anyway, let's come down to find out what lies ahead tomorrow. So let's look into Nifty first, and we'll try to analyze from there what is happening, right? So this is the list of all the sectors, right? You look into the sectors, all the sectors have massively bounced today, right? It's almost the entire list of sectors, right? Starting from media has bounced beautifully. Look at it, beautifully bouncing from the bottom. Auto bounced from the bottom, right? All the sectors, metal has bounced from the bottom, right? So all have, it simply indicates that the market is kind of bottomed out in the current scenario, and it's trying to move up from here, right? So and look at Nifty. This is Nifty, right? Let's figure out what is in store as far as the Nifty is concerned, right? So let's draw its support and the resistances. So this is one of the biggest support that Nifty has in current scenario, right? Which is the support of 11464, right? From there it has bounced, right? Now what is going to lie ahead? Let's look into that. So the first hurdle that Nifty will have from here is this place, right? It has to convincingly cross this place, which is 11651, another 70 points up from wherever it closed today, roughly about 70 points up. So if you ask me, how was Nifty's closing today, so look at Nifty's closing slightly below yesterday's high, but not bad, right? I wouldn't say this is a bad closing. Why? There is a price rejection from the lower level, and Nifty has closed in green, right? Which is a very positive sign, and it has not gone below yesterday's low, right? And the price rejection from the lower level looks pretty decent to me. And you can see the higher low that it has made 3 days consecutively, higher low, higher low. So that means the trend is kind of trying to reverse from here, right? So all the sectors you can see from here. Now I want to show you Nifty's option chain, and you will be surprised to see beautiful unwinding happening at all the levels. Just look at it from starting from 11,500 to this level, which is 12,200. There is complete call unwinding all the levels. Look at it. Would you like to see this level, which is 11,550 and 11,500 level, right? How many calls have been unwinded today? 13 lakh 64. If I consider this plus this, they were in all 15 lakh 64,000 or 16 lakh calls yesterday, which were written. Today, 13 lakhs calls, almost 90% calls have been unwinded, right? Same goes here, 90% calls have been unwinded, right? 5 lakh calls have been unwinded here. That means it is an indication 6 lakhs calls have been unwinded here, right? So pretty much an indication that market is definitely planning to go up. And look at this side, put side. Can you see at the put side? What is the number of puts that have been written? Just look at it, 26 lakhs 42,000, right? This is 33 lakh 56,000. And how many puts have been added up today? 22 lakhs puts have been added today. Out of 26, 22 lakhs have been added up today. So that means 4 lakh puts have been added today. And in this 33 lakhs 56,000 puts, today there is about an addition of about 20 lakh puts, which is a huge amount. Like that means in the morning this was just about 13 lakh puts, and 20 lakhs puts more than have been added up more, means 150% increase in the number of, in the quantity. Same goes out here, from 4 lakhs, from 4 lakhs it has become 22 lakhs up, right? And so this is this is, what does it indicate? It indicates you a solid base which has been formed at the level of 11,550. Let's come back to our graph and see where is our base that have been formed. 11,550 is our new base that has been made, right? This and 11,500 is our new base, right? So these levels are very, very crucial for tomorrow. They have to be defended. In case market plans to go down, then these levels have to be defended. Market has to bounce from these levels, because these put writing is indicating basically a solid support that has been made, right? Similarly, if you want to see where exactly calls have been added today, so they have been added at the level of 11,650, right? Let's come back here. 11,650 is what exactly I told you is the next level of resistance for Nifty, right? So if you ask me what is going to be the broader range for Nifty tomorrow, so this is going to be broader range for Nifty tomorrow from 11,500 to 11,651. This is going to be broad range of Nifty. In case it crosses either of them, right? Either it goes upward or it goes downward. Whichever direction it crosses, the next level of support or resistance will be activated after that, right? So this is my understanding. I may be incorrect, but you can all refine your own way of doing it. But this is what I have understood, right? And some of the stocks that I've figured out, I am finding a few stocks very, very good. So let me just show you those stocks, and probably you will find some kind of a synchronization with me. And if it is so, you can decide to take a trade, or you can decide not to take a trade. That call you can take. So one of the stock that's really looking good to me right now is Adani Power, right? I want to show you Adani Power. That is looking very, very decent to me. It has been having a lot of, accumulation for quite some time. Not this, Adani Port. I'm liking Adani Port, not Power, but Adani Port. Adani Port. So look at it, how it has been. There is a trend line you can see. The stock is maintaining this trend line, and look at how it has, how the stock is picking up and making higher lows, right? Today also it had a beautiful recovery, and tomorrow if it breaks this particular value, which is 416, will show you a good movement in the upward direction. Another stock that I have on my radar is SBIN, right? State Bank of India, which is looking to me again in a trend line, it's trying to maintain the trend line, and if it breaks the trend line, we definitely have a good entry. So my entry will be above 364. Then I have a few stocks for sell side. I have a few stocks on the sell side. So what are those stocks that I want to sell? So one of them is Just Dial, right? I'm finding Just Dial little weak for the last 2 days, right? I'm finding Just Dial a bit weak for the last 2 days, right? So see here, yesterday it went up massively, 9th, right? Not yesterday, the day before yesterday, which is on Tuesday, and after that it corrected so massively. And look at the trend line which it's trying to respect, and in case it breaks this, I'm expecting a fall till 750, and if 750 is broken, I can expect it to 745, and then the next target will be 730, and so on and so forth, right? So these are two of my stocks on the sell side. I have another one on sell side, which is Tata Elxsi. Tata Elxsi is also looking weak to me, and look at it how it has been just trying to hold these levels, which is pretty much for a multiple time zone support, right? It's holding it. Either we need to buy it. This stock, we can buy if it goes above today's, if it goes above this particular value, 845, we can buy, and below this value, which is 835, we have a good opportunity to short it, right? Then I have another stock on my radar, which is Dr. Reddy, right? Dr. Reddy, you will see, is been accumulating for quite some time, and it's in the horizontal range, right? So this is how Dr. Reddy is for almost 3, 4, 5 days. It's been in this narrow range, right? You can see it's in this narrow range of about 150 points, and this is in, this is 1 hour time frame, and this is from 11th May till today. I would like to make it shorter. I would like to make it shorter. I would like to make it like this, right? So if this range is broken, right, in the upward direction, if it goes above 2680 or 2675, then we have a good opportunity to buy Dr. Reddy's, right? That's one of the stock on my radar. Then I also have TVS Motor, and I also have Century Textile, right? So TVS Motors is also on my radar. So the way it has been coming up after making the double bottom, and the moment it crosses this trend line, right, I'm expecting an up move, as auto sector has also had a little bounce from the lower levels. So I'm expecting a move in TVS Motors. And the last stock that I have in my radar is Century Textile, right? Century. So this is Century Textile, and this is also looking good to me, having a good kind of bounce from the lower levels. Here I will find an opportunity to buy above 919.5, right? I will find an opportunity to buy above 919.5, right? All right, so these are my stocks for tomorrow, and I have some long-term stocks also which I have given on my channel. You can just go and watch it here, and take them with your own by consulting your financial advisor, right? And another thing that I want to tell you is, from today in the evening, we are starting with our July batch. We'll have the welcome batch in another few hours, 8 o'clock. So if you want to join my course, even you can join by tomorrow or the day after, because actual classes are starting from Saturday. You can contact my team at the at this number, 95996-34604. You can tweet, or you can meet us on the Facebook or website or Telegram, wherever you want. The best will be to make a call at this number and inquire, or WhatsApp. You will be answered every single query. Take care. Good day. Bye bye. See you somewhere, and keep making money, keep minting money. I hope you have been watching my Telegram channel. Look at the flawless performance, 19,750. And look at what yesterday we had made. We had made a good amount of money yesterday as well. Let me just show you yesterday's profits. Yesterday's profits were also huge, right? So look at yesterday's profit. This was on the free channel, right? This is on the premium advisory, and on the free channel we have made good amount of money also. So on the free channel also we made good amount of money. So here you can see, I don't know, this is basically one of them. The other one is here, 39,000. This is on the free channel. So if something is free, you should take it, right? So the whole thing is that you need to have green portfolio no matter what, and stay connected with Stock Pro. Please share my videos, please share my channel, please share my stocks recommendation with others, and if they feel good about it or they are convinced about it, they can trade in it. So take care. Good day. Bye bye. See you. And just don't wait. Pick up your phone and call my team so that you can be informed. Anything that you have, any kind of information you want, you can just call them up. If you're not getting the stocks, you're not getting anything, just call my team. They will help you out. Bye bye. Take care.